To find the model's natural waistline, take a piece of string and create a slip knot loop. Make sure it is wide enough to go around the widest part of the body. Ask your model to step into the loop and bring it up towards the natural waistline. Tighten the loop around the natural waist, making sure it is not too tight. Ask your model to slowly flex the body by leaning forward and back and side to side. The slip knot will find the natural waistline, which is roughly halfway between the rib cage and the belly button. Tighten the slip knot ever so slightly and position it so it is parallel to the ground across the front, the side, and the back. Once you're happy with its location, wrap a soft tape measure around the waist, bring it together at the front, and then once you're happy, record your measurement.